you said, Kiri, a lot of Fijian fans as the Drua make their way out onto Ballymore. As well with Vika Matarungu out injured as the Reds led on by their co-skippers in Ivania Wong and Gemma Bemro. We're here at Ballymore at Leichhardt Oval a little bit later, but what an afternoon. Settle in. It is Super Rugby Women's finals time. And the kickoff just falls. A little bobble there. Used her knees to control it. Brown goes again. Twisting, turning, very close. Christ, driven over, now needs to get it down. She does. This has been an area where they've dominated it scrum time, and they're going to look to go again. They're driving it forward. Naisewa, she's controlling it well at the back. Now Lamani goes. Oh, and shirt fronted there by Irwin, but they go again. They score the try. What are the Reds cooking up here? A little tap play.
Let's go, 7.
Price. Reardon. Up the back to Kapani, who was just sitting in the pocket, wasn't she? Here's Teatau now. Quick ball for the Reds. Kramer. Monera. Kaslik slips the tackle, gets it out to Bemrose. Bemrose throws the right arm out. Try the Reds. She got the fend going, and she hit the line hard.
Well, it's not often that you say set-piece magic off of a tap move, but the Reds.
Morgan looking for runners, finds Christ. Christ stays on her feet, powerful. Already scored one today. Here's Malloy. Malloy powers her way over. And the Drua hold out the Reds here. They're really putting the pressure on once again. Now they set them all up. Price is there. Malloy wants it. Malloy for her second. Held up over the line. She just got... Oh, it's a penalty try, in fact. Referee goes under the posts. And it's a straight 7 for the Reds. And it'll be a yellow card, double jeopardy. Very close. Teatau just takes it in high and a penalty advantage. Still there for the Reds. Now Kapani goes over herself. Great job there, Alicia on the sidelines. As we get started in the second half, the Drua with plenty of work to do. Solid platform there for the Reds as Soaso takes some good meters off the Drua. And now this is a better angle for Kramer to clear it downfield. Taken on the fly by Tisolo. Kinita now. Nakore, bounce pass past Andivita Longa. Vania Ray on the field after a long injury layoff of her own. Oh, that was just ripped out of contact there from Kapani, but it's play on. And oh, lovely line there from Nakisa. She pins the ears back. They all stood off her. Mereoni Nakisa, and scores right under the posts.
Well, the Drua needed to be the first to score in this second half, and they have done so. Certainly did it the hard way. Multiple phases.
Offside.
No hands, hands up!
Here it is for Marawa. They pick and go again. This time they get the try. The Drua are just clawing their way back into this match. To Nakesa. Kinita. Ranlumu. Drua with all the momentum here. They go short side. Vania Ray scores! Into the 22. Kramer. They come the short side now. Kapani batting off the defenders and getting up short. She goes again. Eva Kapani in for a second.
It's tit for tat in ascendancy, and we are in for a thrilling last 10 minutes. It's really, really exciting here.
It's a runaway freight train here for the Drua as well. all the way. They do score. The pendulum back to the Drua side now, and that was a runaway maul try to Naisewa. Your side are coming back here in Brisbane. Short kickoff, well taken there by Wright. Batted back. Great job there from the scrum half. Jacoby now on the field for the Reds. USA International. Here's Caslick. We've hardly seen her in this second half. Hasn't had her hands on the ball like she did in the first half. Ross lining up for a carry. The Drua getting over the top. Oh, just cleaned out. Now Sawaso. Right, organising, looking for runners, finds Mins. They just need to get back into their pattern, back into their shape, the Reds. Monera to Zoe Hanna, who shakes the tackle. And gets a bit of help there from Kramer. Right. Talfua just overran that slightly. They nearly got them in their own road as Jacoby trundles it up for another carry. Counteract coming, trying to unsettle the Reds. The Drua. Now Ross just gets her feet out of that first tackle. Now Kramer goes wide. Flynn leaves it behind. Look out, look out. Here comes Naikore. Naikore soccering ahead. Needs to sit up. It does. Goodness me. Against the run of play. The Drua score another, and they are reeling in the Reds. The wave of support coming for the Drua now. Malloy looking for another. She's short. Now Jacoby. It's Charlie Jacoby. Goes the other side, kind of knocked out of her grasp. The Reds survive. And they march on into a Super Rugby Women's Grand Final. But there is not a fingernail left here at Ballymore. A nail biter in the end.